video, I will be sharing Zara haul, get ready with me, a little bit vlog, lifestyle, like you got it, or the gist. I will be sharing my weekend with you. So let's start with Zara haul. The items I will be sharing, I remember this. The first items is this particular one. This bracelet is amazing. I will do a close cut so that you can see it with the matching earring, because the dress I'm wearing does not request necklace, so I decided to go a little bit heavily in my ear and my bracelet, so that because it's still a party, so that I can give that party vibe. I won't look because it's summer, nobody wants to wear too much makeup. I still want to put some level of makeup. Of course, I don't want to go this way, but I decided to go for jewelry so that I can ginger my face, my ear, my hand a little bit. Let me see what we have here. Yes, this dress is giving. I saw this dress in Instagram. Like I said, I want this dress because this dress is giving body. Like you need to see it after I style this dress, because I will be sharing with you the way I will style this dress. Like this dress is amazing. So you can actually see the way I will style this dress to party. It is amazing. It's a little bit expensive, but it's not the most expensive dress. But I just love the fit of this dress. It's giving body. It's giving sexy. We can say that. There's nothing wrong. It's giving summer. I love the color. I love the length. The length is the body. You will see the way we. If you don't have curve, this will create it, and if you have, it will elevate it. It will take it to the next level. I love this dress. This dress is amazing. Like I said, you cannot really go wrong with this type of dress. And this next dress is for lunch, because on Friday I have this dress. Like I already create the imagine of me in the evening, the way I'm going to style it. Then on Saturday I have lunch. I decided to go for this Zara dress because it's quite simple, it's elegant, it's chic, it's giving sexy, it's giving summer. It's a black dress, so it's not doing too much. I love this particular one. You will see the way I will style this particular one. Wow, if you know how to style this dress, you can take it to the different destination without effort. I really love this particular one, and the quality, I will say, is not bad at all. Consider that Zara can be a little bit, particularly when it comes to quality at times. And I love the neckline. It's giving body, it's giving summer, it's giving simplicity, but at the same time it's still giving that a little bit, sexy. So you can't go wrong with this type of one. Like I said, I will leave all the links and this size below. The next items I pick in this haul is the most cheapest one. Is this amazing dress. If you have opportunity to go to Zara website and you like this dress, just go. Could you believe me that this dress is less than 10 quid? Because my intention was just to pick these two dresses. When I saw this, I said this dress, when I have a lunch, I have guests in my house, I don't know what to wear. With this, I will look very, very put together. Or Sunday, just with my family, I just feel like looking put together, because there is nothing wrong putting yourself together. When you look put together, you look at yourself on the mirror, you really like what you see. Give you that little bit more confidence, and there's nothing wrong about it. Look at this dress, it's massive. When you have ice cream with the girls, or you are going for shopping with your white sneakers, like the way you can actually use this dress, you like for it. I think Zara did a great job. And personally, and I decided to size down. The only issue I will say size down. I don't know if you can see the hand. Like for me personally, it's huge. So I decided to size down. I think this one is the smallest size I decided to pick. So just go to Zara website, curiosity. Maybe you can find one or two pieces that is very, very, very affordable. Like this dress, come on, with 10 quid. It's less than 10 quid. Like I said, it's €9.99 something. Like this dress is amazing. And this one, of course, this is part of the new collection. Like this together is very, very expensive, and this is very, very affordable. Like this dress is even more affordable than this earring, just for saying. So let me know, comment below, let me know your favorite dress. Like I said, you will be spending the weekend with me, so you will see the way I will style this dress when I'm going out on today, that is Friday, and on Saturday too. So you will be spending the weekend with me. You will spend from Friday morning till Saturday evening with me. So let's start this vlog. keep this vlog going. Guys, I'm not the only one that's struggle. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm missing egg. Yes, I have 3 eggs here. I'm not the only one that struggle with my meal for summer. Ooh, because all I want to eat is something easy, something that does not request any particular attention. I think personally for me, the struggle is real for summer. There's just something about me and summer that I want to eat something that is not healthy. I just like to eat maybe something like ice cream, all those kind of. I know it's not healthy. That is not the right thing you're supposed to be eating for summer, but I like it. So it's just a simple meal, just the way I like it. It doesn't require too much attention. It doesn't need to do too much. It's very, very simple. It's easy go. Everybody can try to do it. It's just egg and tortillas, like very, very, very simple. This is important. Like I said, something very, very quick lunch. There is no chef on the kitchen. Everybody like actually can actually do it. Just all you need to just mix egg a little bit. That's all. My egg I add pepper and some other spices to it. In Africa I mix a little bit spicy. So we are almost ready. Yeah. Like I said, you don't really need to do too much. There you go. This is my lunch. Guys, as you can see, I have banana, kiwi, and just tortillas and egg and some salad. I decided to keep the salad very, very fresh, simple. I might add a little bit juice of lemon if I want, even though for summer I just prefer it like this. There's just something about it, just tastes very, very fresh and nice. So guys, this is the complete outfit. I love this outfit. I think it's amazing. He's giving lady, he's giving sexy, he's giving body, he's giving summer. I love your color. So let me know in comments below, what do you think the way I style it. I actually like it. I decided to add neutral bag and neutral heat to it. It's just one of my old shoe. I think I need to get a new nude piece of heel. I really love this particular outfit. I think it's not too much, it's not screamy, but at the same time it's giving body, it's giving summer. So let me know in comment, what do you think about the way I style it. I actually love it because I will turn my back so that you can actually see the way it look. It's amazing. I really love this dress. It's amazing. I really love this dress. I think you cannot go wrong with this type of dress. Like quality, terms of price, I think it really deserves the price because it's not really too expensive. So I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is the way I want my bangle. A little bit up here. Yeah. So as you can see, what do you think about the way I accessorize this outfit? I love it. I think it looks very nice. It's not too much, but it's not dressed down. I want to look put together. There's nothing wrong about that. actually compare work, gym, family together. Personally, I've been trying to go to gym for this last week. It's very, very difficult. That is the reason why I have this at home, because I know that those days or those weeks that I find it difficult to go to gym, I don't have excuse. If I cannot do any sport in the morning, at least in the evening or in the afternoon, I have to do something at least 3 times in a week. It's just me. It's just something. I know that there's people that can do it 5 times in a week. My maximum is 3 to 2, at times 1, at times 0. I'm not proud of myself when it comes to that. So I decided to get myself. At least I don't have excuse. At least at home, I will find maybe 30 minutes, 25 minutes. I just need something to do to my body, because I'm, like I said, most of the time in my video, I'm quite cool. So I actually need to keep my body moving. So especially if you're mom like me, you know that after you give birth, you need to keep your body moving. If not, you're going to find yourself in a place that you don't like. Of course, if you are those ones that gifted, that can eat everything, can see 24 hours without doing anything, at the end of the year you still look put together, kudos to you. But I'm part of those ones that I need to do something to my body. I need to keep my body moving. I don't even need to do too much. I don't even have the energy to do too much, but at least I need to do something a little bit. This, maybe I have some weight, I will just carry some weight. So no, at least little things I need to just do and try to eat as healthy as possible. Of course, you can. Personally, I find it difficult to eat healthy every day, but I make sure maybe 4 times in a week healthy, 3 times. I think I judge myself, so this is just me. I don't know how people do it. Like, I have admiration for people that eat clean every day. They went to gym every. They go to gym every day. I say, wow, because that is discipline. That is my goal. I want to be in the position whereby I go to gym every day, at least 5 times in a week. I eat at least 5 times in a week clean, because when I'm work in the afternoon, I just eat anything, because I'm in case I only have 30 minutes. Not that I have a lot of time to think what to eat. I need to prepare the meal before the time, so that I will not just attack anything I see. So, and I'm very picky when it comes to food. I think these days, taking care of your body, your family, having full-time job is a lot. At least for me, is a lot. I actually struggle with it, but I'm trying to put myself in the situation that I take myself accountable. Say, no, baby girl, you can do this. You have to put yourself together, because I love the way my body looks when I eat healthy, when I do a little bit sport. I just love my body that way. So it's just my preference. So I have to put in work, you know. Guys, this is the amazing dress. I love this dress. I love the details. It's very, very simple and cute. And look at the way I decided to style it. Like I said, I decided to ginger it up with jewelries. Like, you cannot really go wrong. I said to go for a black piece of hair, black bag, so that we just keep everything. It's quite, I know that it's summer, but you can still go with a total black outfit. You can keep it very, very simple. Because this dress, like, for real, this will keep you very, very fresh and clean. I love this outfit. I don't know if I should go with red lipstick. That is the only thing I'm a little bit, but I have a red lipstick in case of if I change my mind along the way. But I actually love the whole outfit. It's simple, the makeup is not screaming, and the outfit is giving mama, it's giving body. So let me turn around, let me do 360 for you. Like, he's giving what he's supposed to give. I love this outfit. It's simple, it's elegant, it's chic, it's very, very summer. I love this particular one. Like, if I see this dress in chocolate, I will take it consideration. I just love the fact that they have this ruche that is going on one side and it's a little bit giving body on one side. I really love this dress. So tell me, what do you think the way I style it? Very simple but cute. Like the earring is creamy. Like I love this dress. I just love, it's just the way I imagine my outfit. Like it's giving what it's supposed to give.